Hi and welcome to Debt Tale. I'm Rebecca Bautista and this video is all about medical debt. So the reason why we're going over medical debt is because medical debt is treated a little bit differently than other types of debt, and therefore there's a couple of changes happening this year and next year. So let's get started. So medical debt can impact your credit score differently because of the way it's reported to the credit bureau. So for the most part, most medical providers do not list it as a debt until it gets into collection. Another thing is that currently you have 6 months of it going into collection, so 180 days, before it gets applied to your credit report. So because it only gets reported 6 months after being moved to collections, it's one of those debts that can be tricky if you don't follow upon it. Now, the reason why you get 180 days or 6 months is because the idea that you will go to your health insurance company, lower the amount owed, as well as that you can negotiate lower payments. Now, the great news is that after July 1st of this year, there's 2 changes that are coming into place, and this affects all 3 credit bureaus. So we're talking Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. After July 1st, instead of having 180 days, you now have a full year or 365 days of it going into collections before it affects your credit score. Another thing is that if you pay your debts in full, it no longer will be on your credit report. The following year, so in 2023, the 3 credit bureaus will no longer count any medical collection debts that's under $500. If you have a medical debt for, let's say, lab blood work, and it was only like $40 and they just never sent you the papers, etc., it's not going to show up on your credit report, so therefore it will help balance your score better. So if you have a medical bill, the best way is to work to pay it prior to it being sent to collections. You can call up the hospital, you can call up the doctors, you can call up the health insurance company. As always, for larger medical bills at hospitals, there are a lot of charity cases, so please do talk to social workers there at the hospital or their financial counselors, because there may be options to help lower your liability for having a medical crisis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you would like me to make a video in the future about how to negotiate medical debt, I have quite a bit of experience with my own medical crises over the years. Just please let me know in the comments below and we can make a video about it. I hope you have a great day. Bye.